Hello everyone, and welcome to Creating with Mimi. Today I'm sharing with you a remodeled home tour, another fabulous install. As you can see, all hands are on deck and we are taking care of our client's home, installing fabulous 20-foot drapery, floor to ceiling, amazing. Installing fabulous lighting, hanging beautiful mirrors, prints, wall art. Yes, even myself, all hands are on deck to create this outstanding design. We're gonna start with this living room. I love the ceilings, a little dated and dark, somewhat crowded. So we're gonna update it and just give it a fresh, remodeled look, but we are using things that the client already has. I often talk about repurposing, and yes, I repurposed her exact same chairs. I added in floral, an additional bench. We hung wall art that was personable to the client. Remember that old chandelier in the dining room? What a difference a day makes. A nice, large, substantial dining room. Added some accent pieces on the table and voila. The rug that we placed ties in old and new, and it mixes both of those colors. She had the gray chairs and the camel tan color recliners are chairs that needed to come back and must stay in this room. Added the gorgeous floor lamps. The husband is an avid record collector. That was another item that needed to stay in this living area. I found a way to incorporate them in the space. Do you remember the before? Yes, we all remember the before. I'm not really sure what was going on. The one lamp was too small, opened up the space, added 2 table lamps, and it is absolutely gorgeous. For the most part, this is just a play on color, texture, and interest. These columns are gorgeous, but they were just dark. They darkened up the space, and I wanted to lighten them up and brighten up the space, and this is the end result. We're going to talk about this Greatroom just a little bit because, again, we've got dark colors, faux wood painting. The fireplace was a little less desirable, and voila! Brightening up the space, bringing in new modern furniture for the space, taking full advantage of the tall 16-foot ceilings, and giving that fireplace the focal point that it deserves. Remember the last fireplace? We had to fix that problem. A large custom fireplace with marble inset, absolutely gorgeous. Creating contrast with these drapes because the colors are white, gray, and blue. The blue wall art over the fireplace is about 72 inches tall, and I wanted to maximize the height of the ceilings, and this was perfect. We absolutely love this kitchen. We all have it. Dark kitchen cabinets, the microwave over the stove. Removed all of those items and created a flow in the kitchen that is bright, light, and inviting. I love using the bar stools. They're lucite, they disappear. It doesn't make the kitchen feel crowded in a small space. There's not a whole lot of counter space. I did not want to crowd the egress flow to the outdoor area, so these lucite bar stools are perfect. Remove the microwave from over the stove, added a chimney hood, and I've taken the tile all the way up to the ceiling, accentuated the columns that was before. This kitchen is absolutely drop dead gorgeous. Do you remember that bar server in this alcove area? It was just awkward to me. I wanted to replace that, add a super large table, and then additional seating, but just to play on color, added green, inlaid that with a wallpaper that has a geo pattern. Take a look at the black doors. Please do not sleep on the black doors. It adds a richness and an element to any design style. This wine rack that you see here, this is a custom piece. This was an opening overlooking into the bathroom. A client thought it was just not a good idea to sit and eat, look into a bathroom. Enjoy the rest of this gorgeous house. Leave comments, let me know what your thoughts are. What was your favorite part? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, make every day a great day.
Saturday, and I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away, 'cause I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the open kind of new way? Love me like yesterday. I'm sure messed up, not once or twice, but every time you thought that we did alright. But I thought it through, and I'm missing you. And I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the open kind of new way? Open kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Open kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be, yeah. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too, and love me like yesterday. Love me like yesterday.
If you like this video, guys, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.